Ditch the old school ads. Try online ads. It's easy to hang on to old techniques, but you've got to ask yourself, how much benefit is it actually bringing your business? For example, when you run that £200 ad in the local paper, or the £500 radio ad, how is it improving your online presence? How many people saw or heard your ad? How many people called or visited your website after seeing or hearing the ad? How much profit did you make from the customers that you got from that ad? Was the ad profitable? Well, this is all information that you can't possibly know. You can guess, but how accurate is guessing? By focusing more on online marketing in 2019, you can cut your costs and improve your accuracy. By tracking how many visitors you gained and where they came from, you can improve your marketing strategy. It might be that the majority of customers come from a certain geographical region, or they all belong to a certain age group. It might be that they have similar interests. All of this information is ready and waiting for you when you use Google Analytics or other website tracking tools. I suggest that you try Google Ads, Bing Ads or Facebook Ads, because when they're done properly, they will save you thousands of pounds per year and deliver a more measurable return on investment. If you need some help, speak to me. I'm happy to advise you.